Hey guys, so today we're doing the April Fool's event trailer from the Wizard Works, and here we go. Anyways. It's so we gotta go through all the okay. Okay, so we're going to Roblox, and don't worry about it, okay?
I am raggedy handsome sometimes, aren't I?
Or can I get out? Hold up. Just give me a sec. And I reboot it. That's all I do. Okay, ignore this. We're having a countdown update. The Bad Bomber Railway. And there you go, folks. That's all I even have. Really glitchy. Anyways. Anyways. So I will show you how anyways, so this is that 2020 from here, and that, dude, okay, anyways, so, here are the engines, and I have some day passes. And my favorite is Hornby, and this one is
What you
guys got the mini trucks, and if you let them change anything else, and yeah, that's really cool to me. And I got one of those. Oh no! I said that. Okay, there we go. So I got these, and I got the clock Thomas that follows you if you wherever you go, and yeah, so and just stop right there, and have this thing. But first we gotta delete Thomas here, and yeah. So here is the Bachman Thomas, the normal one, and the LBSC Thomas. You change eyebrows, and the eyes move when you even going. Here is. Oh, whoa. Okay, so here is the PC Adventures. A coach. Like, Raleigh. Yeah, Raleigh. I don't know why it's Raleigh in the new game. In the new map on the game. I don't know. But you actually right, I guess. So here is the PC Adventures Thomas in the fastest engine of all. Is that guys? Is that how you say it? Anyways, so you. Hold up. Restart. Okay, so here's the fastest Thomas in the whole world. Here it is. So you go I forgot what about the 2026 Thomas, of course. And yeah, it's kind of cool. Okay, so remember that real Thomas one? Well, if you click the face, you realize it's the woman. Oh yeah, more like a real thing, of course. Just whatever. that's all I have to show you today. So, bye. Oh, hold up. Oh, whatever.